Hello, Jocelyn McCarthy here, Biology 225, and tonight I'm going to go ahead and show you a video on my experiment with 3 bacteria that I have with motility. Okay, let's go ahead and start with, here are the test tubes that I have that was required for, this assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the E. coli. The E. coli on the test tube, it looks cloudy. It looks cloudier than the 3 of them combined. So there's a Staphylococcus epidermidis, this one right here, to your left side, so it's my right side. The E. coli, semi-cloudy, and cerevisiae, Staphylococcus, would be the most cloudy. And for this one, the epidermidis, this one formed the quickest, and it was only about within 12 hours that the components that's inside floated up as if it was a fat. Usually when you would know if there's fat in for example, saline or water, because it floats up, so then you know it's fat. So this one formed within 12 hours of inoculation, and that would be the Staphylococcus epidermidis. Excuse me. The E. coli. E. coli is slightly cloudier than compared to the cerevisiae. Cerevisiae has a lot of sediments at the bottom right here, and this is the yeast that was put in here with the broth. And E. coli, with the naked eye, you can't really see anything that's going on with the E. coli here, even if I have to shake it up. This has been stored for 48 hours. It's actually more than that because it was on 11/7 and now it's 11/9. And then I put a time on it, 7:20, and it's now way past that, so it's more than 48 hours already. So that one, you can't really see anything with the naked eye. As far as shapes, when you look at it under the microscope, because I did using my agar plates for the E. coli, the E. coli agar plate, you can see it's hard to see on the camera. It's hard to depict that, but when you see under the microscope, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do that because there's no connector to the camera, to the microscope. We're not that high tech, but you can see that it's porous. It seemed like it has pores on it, on the bacteria itself. The same thing with the Staphylococcus epidermidis. You can see here actually, it's a little bit webbing. It has that webbing appearance with the naked eye when you can see the back, but it's very hard to see. So that one right there, and this part right here is sort of webbing. And this one is the most interesting one. This is the yeast, the Staphylococcus cerevisiae. This one right here, you can see with the naked eye that there's a lot of spotting. It's smaller in size and it's round, and some of them are actually raised. It's a lot more raised compared to the other one. If I tilt the plate, you can see that the bacteria are raised a lot, and you can see it. And this one formed quickly also. Within 24 hours it formed, and it was the yeast. So those are the differences of all the different bacteria that I have that were required for this assignment. So all these, I'm gonna not even throw these out. I'm gonna see what's going on. If I added 12 more hours, then maybe tomorrow or Monday I'll check it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.